This instructional video will cover the install process for the Apex cage system by ProArmor for 900 and 1000 model vehicles 2015 and present. After removing stock doors, belts, and cage, and with the help of an additional person, lift and place the Apex cage onto the vehicle, lining up A and B pillar bungs. Starting with the A pillar, apply the stock cage bolts, securing the A pillar on both the driver and passenger sides of the vehicle. Remove rear fender plastics, the screw and push pins, and air vent panel, 2 screws, to access the B pillar. Using the stock bolts, secure the B pillar on both the driver and passenger sides of the vehicle, and torque all bolts to factory specs to firmly secure cage to vehicle. Align the rear portion of the cage, resting the radius rod plate on the rear tow hook. Using the provided hardware, align and bolt up driver and passenger side to the B pillars and radius rod plate to integrate the full cage to the chassis of the vehicle. Once the cage is in place, torque down all bolts for rear section of the cage to factory specs. Reapply rear fender plastics and rear air vent using the screws and push pins removed in step 3 for both driver and passenger sides. Replace rear fender screw. Screw inside vent panel. Screw on inside of the bed storage. Apply the push pins for the entryway plastics and push pins inside the rear fender. Screw near B pillar to completely fasten the vehicle plastics. 2 screws to affix the air vent panel. And repeat for opposite side of the vehicle. There shouldn't be any leftover hardware. Everything that was removed should be reapplied to secure all vehicle plastics. Thanks for installing a ProArmor Apex cage. You can visit our website, proarmor.com, to download the written instructions, or if you have any more questions, please contact our customer service team at 1-888-312-7667.